If you have a Lenovo or ThinkPad laptop, you may encounter a problem in Windows 11, where the laptop keyboard does not work after the first cold start. After a restart, the keyboard works normally. Here you see that the keyboard does not work. Sometimes the touchpad does not work either. After restarting Windows 11, the keyboard and touchpad work normally until the next first start of the laptop. It turns out that there is no hardware problem with the laptop keyboard. It all comes from a simple Windows 11 setting. Installing all the necessary drivers from the Lenovo website does not help. It doesn't work and won't start until Windows is restarted. As you can see in the video, after a simple restart, everything works normally. Now I will show you how to deal with this problem, where to find and adjust the setting for this. Since in my case Windows 11 is not in English, I will add an English translation of the options. If your laptop is in another language and you don't understand English, you can navigate the menus. First, find the control panel in Windows 11. Just type it in the Open Start menu. Then you go to the menu, Hardware and Sound. Then you go to the menu, Power Options. Then you go to the menu, choose what the power buttons do. Now just uncheck the first option under the drop-down menus. Enable Fast Startup recommended. Reboot and test it. This is a cold start after shutdown for a while.